Hello, my name is Lee Mahon, and I am the founder of CarbonBlack Technology. You might know CarbonBlack Technology from our innovative screen display surfaces, but what I'm going to show you now is one of the most exciting ones, the carbon mesh screen. So it's basically a lightweight carbon fiber composite mesh in a hexagon pattern, really lightweight, and it's got that graphene in it, which reacts with light. And what you get is this fantastic screen surface, and we're under very bright light here, but you're going to see how well this shows up. We've also got a seam. We can go gigantic with this. Radio City Music Theatre has a 95-foot by 45-foot version of this that drops down for the Christmas Spectacular with the Rockettes, and it produces incredible shows. Disney are also a great client of this technology, and we're also using it for those holographic performances for some major musicians as well. So this scrim technology can be rolled, it can be folded, it can be put into a ball. It is not going to oxidize, it is not going to degrade in time. It's going to be able to be used outdoors, underwater, in a theater, at a show, at a theme park, at your casino, wherever you imagine this being used. It's going to be very practical for that holographic or transparent scrim tech. I think another little point to say is that we're also using it in virtual production. So companies like Paramount want to do a virtual production, they want to have, say, rain coming down in the foreground. You can do that with this technology too. So think about it outside the box. We're happy to show you a demo at Hollywood, California, or reach out to me at carbonblack.technology.